In my previous tutorial, I showed you how to create custom navigation for desktop, tablet, and mobile views or devices. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create an anchor link in Divi. Using the same template, I will add 3 different sections for the navigation links: About Us, Services, and Solutions. Add a new section, then click on the cog icon to open the section settings. Next, navigate to the Advanced tab and open the CSS ID and Classes section. Under CSS ID, add About Us without space. This will serve as the unique ID for the About Us section. Next, since those are demo sections, we can set the height of each to 800 pixels by navigating to the Design tab and expanding the sizing panel where you can see the height option. We can also apply a different background color to each section. Repeat the same process for the other sections, but we have to make sure the CSS IDs are different from each other and should not contain spaces. After setting up those sections, we can now proceed to add links to the navigation by navigating to Appearance, then Menus. Expand the custom link and enter the same ID that you used in the different sections in the URL field, then click Save Menu. That's it. Divi has a built-in feature to make the anchor link smoothly scroll through different sections. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next video and thank you for watching.